Okay, see, today we'll continue the exercise 3.2, fourth main. See, in the fourth main, which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? What does it mean? It means that a given pair of linear equations we have to verify whether the given linear pair of equations are consistent or not or inconsistent by applying the previous rule, that ratios of the coefficients. So let us check this one whether it is consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, we have to draw the graph. If not necessary to draw the graph. So solution for first one. X plus y equals to 5. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. A1 equals to 1. A2 equals to 2. B1 equals to 5. B1 equals to 1. B2 equals to 2. C1 equals to 5. C2 equals to 10. Okay, let us verify. A1 by A2, 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2 equals to 1 by 2. C1 by C2, which is equals to 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 2s, that is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. After finding the values, that is equals to 1 by 2. So, if A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, that is equals to 1 by 2, that implies many solutions. That implies many solutions. Therefore, it is consistent. The problem given is consistent. It is consistent. So, if the lines are consistent, we have to draw the graph. We have to represent the equation graphically. Okay, let us find the tabulation. X plus y equals to 5. Therefore, y equals to 5 minus x. X and y. 1, 2, 3. X equals to 1. Y equals to 5 minus 1. That is equals to 4. X equals to 2. Y equals to 5 minus 2, which is equals to 3. X equals to 3. Y equals to 5 minus 3. That is equals to 2. That is 4, 3, 2. The second equation is 2x plus y. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. And let us take 2 as common. X plus y equals to 10. Then x plus y equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. X plus y equals to 5. Therefore, y equals to 5 minus x. So let us take another tabulation of this x and y. 4, 5, 6. So x equals to 4, y equals to 5 minus 4, that is equals to 1. X equals to 5, y equals to 5 minus 5, that is equals to 0. X equals to 6, y equals to 5 minus 6, y equals to 5 minus 6, that is equals to minus 1. X is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 1. Then by graphical representation, we have to consider the graph. Y slash. The graph obtained will be a simply straight line because it has many solutions. That lines whatever we get are the what? Are the overlapping on the same line. Write down. Say, suppose if we plot the graph of this tabulation, we have the straight line like this, represent the values in the graph, then you will get the straight line. Extended straight line can intersect both the x-axis and y-axis. Different types of graph may appear according to values whatever you have taken, that is depend on. So plot the graph in a separate graph. What we have made for the previous classes, use only same graph book. Don't draw the graphs anywhere. So please mind it in mind. Please mind it. Then you draw the graph. Then write all the given whatever I have written on the board, x slash y slash. Then scale you have to write 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter like that. So observe once again. Let us move to the second one. Okay, see the second one. X minus y equals to 8, 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. Okay, x minus y equals to 8, 3x minus 3y equals to 16, a1 equals to 1, a2 equals to 3, b1 equals to minus 1, b2 equals to minus 3, c1 equals to 8, c2 equals to 16. Therefore, a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equals to minus 1 minus 3 equals to 1 by 3, c1 by c2 equals to 8 divided by 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are 1 by 2. By observing the ratios of these terms, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. c1 by c2. This implies what? Lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. So, if the lines are parallel, what it indicates? Inconsistent pair of linear equations. Inconsistent pair of linear equations. If linear equations are inconsistent, what it implies? It implies that no graphical representation. No graphical representation. According to the question. Okay, no graphical representation. Just observe the question. Let us move to the third one. See the third one. Question number 4. Fourth main, third question. 2x plus y equals to minus 6. Minus 6 equals to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 4, b1 equals to 1, b2 equals to minus 2, c1 equals to minus 6, c2 equals to minus 4, a1 by a2 equals to 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equals to 1 divided by minus 2, that is equals to minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2 equals to minus 6 divided by minus 4, 2 threes are 2 twos, 2 threes are 2 twos are, that is 3 by 2, minus into minus plus. By observing the values of these ratios, we have a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. This implies intersection of lines that implies consistent pair of linear equations. Consistent pair of linear equations. If the equations are consistent, if the pair of linear equations are consistent, we have to represent both the equation graphically. Okay, let us move to the graphical representation. First one. Therefore, y equals to minus 6 therefore plus 6. This one minus 2. Tabulation. X, y. Let us consider only 3 values. Y equals to 6 minus 2 into 1. That is 6 minus 2. Which is equals to 4, x equals to 0, y equals to 6 minus 2 into 0, 6 minus 0, that is equals to 6, x equals to 2, y equals to 6 minus 2 into 2, 6 minus 4, that is equals to 2. Similarly, we have the second equation, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Let us take 2 common. 2x minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, 2x minus y minus 2 equals to 0. 2 divided 0 by 2 means 0. So, minus y equals to 2 minus 2x. So, y equals to 2x minus 2. Tabulation. x equals to 0, y equals to 2 into 0 minus 0 minus 2, x equals to 1, 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, x equals to 2, y equals to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So this is all about the tabulation. Observe once again. See, I have already prepared the tables for these two pair of linear equations. According to this tabulation, I have prepared a graph which has a solution x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. You are having graph, so plot the graph accurately. Okay, let us move to the next one. Okay, the fourth one, last problem. Say 2x minus 2y equals to minus 2. First, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Then 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, a1, 2, a2, 4, b1 minus 2, b2 minus 4, c1 minus 2, c2 minus 5. Okay, let us compare. a1 by a2 equals to 2 by 4. 2 1 are 2 2 are. That is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equals to minus 2 divided by minus 4. That is equals to 1 by 2. 2 1 are 2 2 are. Then c1 by c2 equals to minus 2 divided by minus 5, which is equal to 2 by 5. After observing the values obtained by these ratios, we have a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, which is not equals to c1 by c2. This type of ratio represent the parallel lines. Parallel lines. That implies pair of linear equations are inconsistent So no graphical representation according to the question what they have given. If consistent, we have to graph. If not necessary to draw the graph. So this one is the fourth main, not necessary to draw the graph, because the pair of lines whatever they have given us are inconsistent. So see the solution and understand the method how I have solved these questions. The fourth main completed. From tomorrow verbal problems will begin. Very interesting problems. Let us continue. tomorrow. Before that, I will give the some questions for homework. You have to draw the graphs. If those equations are inconsistent, do not draw the graph. Only consistent you can draw. Okay.